This is how to recreate this lower third for Bible projection without using any design software like Photoshop or CorelDRAW. We'll be using FreeShow for this tutorial and it's very simple. Let's open up the FreeShow app. You can see here I already have the templates made already, but I'm going to be creating it from scratch. So here I'm just going to come over to templates. We have different options here, but we're going to select the template here and I'm going to come down, then I'm going to create new template. Then I'm going to give it a name. Let me give it lower third church. It's going to bring it to the edit tab. So here we're going to add two text box for the lower third and the option menu there. Add text box from this and resize it. So I'm going to resize it. I'm going to drag it down. Let me resize it. This. Then go back to items here and create another text box. Then resize it. Resize it as such. So select the first text box, select the text inside, and you can use any text you want to use. Let me just use this text, this font here, and click on align, then left align it and make sure it's centered here. And for the text, we are not using any of these options here. We'll head over to items here, select items, then we can add a background color. I'm going to use this deep brown, this deep blue rather. Then I'm going to add some padding to it. Let me use 30, and that's all. So select the second one, highlight the text, go back to text box and select the same font. Then here on auto size, we're going to create shrink to fit. I forgot to do that for the first one. Let's go back to the first one and do that. Auto size, select shrink to fit. Yes, then let's go back to the second one and highlight it. Go back to items or align left, then make sure it's centered. Go to items, select the background color, use the orange color, then increase the padding. So we're going to make it around 20, and that should be okay. So once you are done, head over to your show and select scriptures to display the Bible, then select your scriptures. So on this option here, let's cancel this one and select the template we use. So click here to select template, then search for the templates. We named it lower third church, so I'm going to select it. So you can see it here, it's already done. Then click on this play button down here to present it, and it's that simple. Let me add a logo. So let me go to edit and select the lower third church. Then here I'm going to click on items to add another item. Let me add a media item, and I'm going to click here to choose the media. So it's going to just bring me this page. So let me just select. So here is where you can add your church logo. I'm going to use this logo here. Click on open and resize it. So you can add any logo you want. Yeah, I'm just going to drag it down and make sure it's aligned correctly. Then click on show. Let's go back to templates to check if it's there now. Okay, it's there. So let's go back to our scriptures and click on this, and you can see it automatically updated. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on TikTok to get more updates, because I'll be releasing more videos on this, because this software is full of features. Thank you for watching.